Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable mic monitor on the Turtle 700 headphones. So to do this in this application, we have to simply click on this button right here, and we can simply turn on or turn off this feature. And of course we have to open our microphone. By the way, it's located on the left headphone, so when you pull it out, as you can see, this feature is enabled as default, but you can turn it off. So yeah, that's how we can do this. And also here we can adjust this parameter by moving the slider to the left or to the right. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.